Hello, and welcome to the City of West Covina Parks and Recreation Master Plan Workshop 1 video. My name is Zachary Meading, and I'll guide you through this presentation. The purpose for the Park and Recreation Master Plan is to develop a guide or an implementation tool for the development and management of parks and recreation facilities and programs. Most importantly, this document is developed based on local community needs. Throughout it, you'll see local recommendations that support the specific local West Covina community. This process is broken up into 5 stages. First, a review of the existing conditions. Then we'll go through an extensive community outreach and engagement. We'll combine those two to develop the needs assessment, ultimately giving way to the recommendations and funding and implementation strategies. Starting in March of 2025, we will begin the community outreach in May. We'll continue to collect the community voice and their needs and desires for park and recreation facilities. From August through the rest of the year, we'll develop the needs assessment, the recommendations, as well as the report and final presentations. As part of our process, we'll review the existing background information, documents that have already been developed, such as the 2025 budget, land use, zoning maps, as well as the city's general plan. One of the elements we look at as part of those background documents as well is the demographics or community profile. We see a 106,000 population for the city of West Covina, the average household size at 3.1, the median age at 40.1. This information tells us that some of the largest population of the community, 39%, is between the ages of 35 to 64. We also track this information in response to the county profile. Continuing on our background research and the inventory of park facilities, we look at where the facilities are located, how many facilities exist, and what condition are those facilities in. We also look at the inventory of programs. What programs has the city offered within the last 2 years? What were their attendance? How popular were they? And are there programs that the community might need that are missing from this list? This brings us to the extensive community engagement portion. Through our outreach efforts, we'll conduct stakeholder interviews, a statistically valid multimodal survey, 3 community workshops in person as well as online. We'll also offer a project website where you can see project status, updates, as well as share your thoughts and ideas through the feedback button at any point in time through the process. The project website is at westcovinaparksmasterplan.com. There you can follow along with project updates. You can see some of the results of the survey information as it comes in, as well as share your feedback at any point in time throughout the project. As we continue along and collect more information, the survey results will be published back on the project website. Also, look forward to workshop number 2, conducted May 28th at 6 to 8 p.m. at the Cortez Park Community Center and Senior Center. Thank you very much for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing all of your thoughts and ideas as we continue to develop the Park and Recreation Master Plan for the City of West Covina.